How to fix Virgin Money UK app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if app is up to date or not. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Virgin Money UK and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your settings. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option of general. Head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in a device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, now head towards the app Virgin Money. After you find it, open it. Then click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of installation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply next solution, that is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app. Once app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Virgin Money app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.